The construction of the pyramids was associated with solar worship, because the creation of the universe in ancient Egypt had theories best known as the Ain Shams, or Heliopolis theory, which assumed that the universe was water from which Earth emerged as a summit representing the rising Earth. The idea of building the pyramid was associated with the fall of sunlight on Earth, whose radiation is given a pyramid triangular shape. From it, the ancient Egyptians took the idea of hierarchical form. The pyramids of Giza are a puzzling architectural miracle for everyone everywhere in the world. Although built more than 4,500 years ago, those interested in ancient Egyptian civilization have had many opinions on how to build these unique giant buildings. Ancient Egyptians have used watercourses from the Nile to the pyramids to transport stones. These were found in the fourth family of the Old State. Stones for the exterior clothing of pyramids were brought from royal quarries in the northern and southern Torah region, east of the Nile in Cairo. This white limestone was used in the outer cladding of the Shefu and Khafra hierarchy. The pyramid of Menkaure was clad in granite brought from Aswan. The stones for the construction of the pyramids were cut from the quarry, which was located south of the Menkaure pyramid. The rising road, which we call the Mina House entrance, was one of the rising roads used to transport stones to build the Great Pyramid. Copper was brought from Sinai mines, which was used to manufacture tools in construction works with the pyramid. He was also found in one of the two Cheops, which were located south of the Cheops pyramid. We have material evidence that the ancient Egyptians are the builders of the pyramids. In 1990, Dr. Zahi Hawass and his team discovered the tombs of the pyramids builders in Giza. American archaeologist Mark Lehner discovered the workers' food and accommodation subsistence area from which workers were staying while working to build the pyramids. These discoveries are material evidence that ancient Egyptians are the builders of the pyramids. The text evidence of Egyptians' building of pyramids is the papyrus of the canyon. In Islamic times, the outer clothing of the pyramids was extracted except for a fraction at the top of the Khafra pyramid. They were used in the construction of Islamic installations such as Qal at Salahuddin and others. To Egypt, Muhammad Ali Pasha intended to demolish the three pyramids and build the charitable pyramids with their stones. However, a French engineer advised him not to demolish. He was not convinced about this idea until he learned that the difference between demolishing the pyramids and using their stones and cutting new stone from the quarries was only 20 millimeters, which saved the pyramids and the Apol Hall from demolition. There is no longer any need for any other theories to assume that the pyramids were built by aliens or others. All archaeological and textual evidence proved beyond any doubt that the ancient Egyptians were the builders of the pyramids and no one else.